So today I am going to share something for the research scholar. It is about the use of artificial intelligence in my research work of the electrical engineering branch. I have done the Ph.D. from the IIT Roorkee in 2013. I want to share how AI benefited in my coursework, in my study, in paper publication and throughout my research work. I was introduced to the artificial neural network during my coursework by the Professor J.N. Pillai sir. During the one subject of the control system, it was the part of the subject course curriculum and I was studying about the artificial neural network. But during that time, I realized the possibility of artificial neural network and decided to explore its capability in my problem, which was the switch reference motor sensorless control. So those are 11 में मैंने पेपर पे पब्लिश किया related to how we can use neural network to estimate the accurate rotor position from the phase current and phase voltage. Then I also explored the possibility of fuzzy logic in 2009 and 10. So during my coursework only, I explored the what is fuzzy logic, how we can use it to solve our problem in the control systems. I replaced the Ph.D. controller with the fuzzy logic and also good result. So मुझे आपसे यही कहना कि अगर आप इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर हो, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हो, सिविल इंजीनियर हो, whatever the branch you are in or whatever the field, right, not only the engineering, the AI possibility is not limited. It is not about becoming a master, but you should at least have fundamental knowledge of the artificial neural network or fuzzy logic. So अगर आपको लगता है कि आपको भी fuzzy logic, artificial neural network study करना चाहिए, that is different thing, whether you use it or not, right? वो अलग part है. Even if you are not using and exploring the possibility that कि मेरे केस में ANN यूज नहीं हो सकता या fuzzy logic यूज नहीं हो सकता और fuzzy logic is not giving the better result, then also it is well and good. Right? It is also one finding that fuzzy logic is not giving better result than the PID controller in my case. But it is not big deal. By spending only few hours, you can completely get the knowledge required to understand the basic concept. So whether you are working on the power electronics or power system or any other branch, there is possibility that fuzzy logic or the ANN like AI techniques might be applicable and might be helpful in your research work. So here I am giving the link of the course if you really want to know and study from the basic and with the proper flow what is fuzzy logic or what is artificial neural network, then go in the description and check out the link.